Here is a cheap, easy, quick solution to connecting your miter saw to your vacuum or dust management system. So here it is here. So as you can see, it's a simple hose clamp. Here are the dimensions, and I'll actually write the dimensions down below. And the way that this works is there's actually two hose clamps on there. There's the first hose clamp that holds it to the machine. And you want to be careful when you're screwing that on, because this is actually made of plastic. So you don't want to squash that. You're just trying to have it snug. But most importantly, there's a hose clamp up on this end. And what I found with all the other adapters is it wasn't a snug fit, but with having the hose clamp up here, you can just simply adjust it and make it fit snugly. And that works really, really great. So this gives it, again, you don't want to squash it, you just want it in there firm, but this gives you a lot of power to adjust it and get it right. And that has been the key to this adapter, and what I wasn't finding in all the other ones. So I'm just going to fit this coupling to the machine, making sure not to tighten it too much. So I'll give it a little test. It just wants to be firm. And you'll notice that the hose is loose in there, which is the trouble I've had with all the other adapters. So I just tighten it a little bit, and this is what's great about this adapter. And now it's really a good fit. Just test it a couple of times. And it's ready to go. As you can see, it works great, and it's super cheap, super simple. I got this from Home Depot. I'm sure you can get it from just about any hardware or plumbing supply. And if you're interested in seeing any of the artwork that I create, here's a couple of pictures. So if you like this video, give a quick thumbs up and a follow, and I'll have more quick tips and cheap ones. This is under $5 for sure.